This is 1987 Mercedes Benz 240 G-Wagon. It's a 2.4 diesel engine in these, and it's the pickup obviously. EX MOD with the Nato Green. Been fully restored this to a very good standard. Looks really nice right throughout, good tyres on it. Nice functional interior as was intended. A proper tow bar on the back. Just have a quick look at the inside here. Just quick in and out job here, no doors, no windscreen either, you might note. Got all the army switchgear in there for the military light system, the blackout lights, etc. And then in the back, you've got your toolbox, 2 bench seats for the crew. Right, let's take a quick look under the hood. So it's the 2.4 diesel engine in these. If you just pull that catch there, Sam, if you can. No, not that one. I'll come round. I'll just get the bonnet catches here. Let's have a look under here. Yeah, so it's the Mercedes Benz diesel engine. I think just 4-cylinder 2.4, normally aspirated. We'll give her a start up. Just reliability is what you need with these, and they certainly are that. Starts up great, runs nice and quiet. Everything looks as it should be under here as well, running 24 volt system. Sorry. Yeah, no signs of any nasty leaks or anything under there. Again, all's probably been redone as part of the recommissioning of this vehicle. So there you have it. Quite an unusual piece of kit, the G-Wagon EX MOD pickup.